Hey YouTube, this is Painkiller07 here, and I'll be doing an unboxing of TP-Link Wireless Lite N USB adapter. Got this because I'm finally moving to my room in my basement. I got it because we have to drill a hole to get my internet cable through a wall, but there's too much stuff there, so we have to move it first. But at the moment I'll have a wireless, but it's 150 megabytes Mbps version, and yeah, I'll be unboxing this. So, oh yeah, and it's a PSP support X-Link. It supports the PSP X-Link, so let's do it. Okay, so here it is. Tight box. Here's the box. There's resource CD, driver CD, purchasing guides, quick installation guide, USB cable, this kind of cable, I don't know. It's called I don't know. Here is my USB. Nice little box. See, it's 150 Mbps. Shiny. A normal USB here. So, thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe. I'll be posting further videos. Comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks. Bye.